Alright.
When's it been? 5 minutes where we were last year.
Cricket club. We're going to try and find some people. Aye.
And probably.
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, that is the thingy where I was last year. So yeah, so check that video out if you haven't seen it. Yeah, we're at the cricket club. Hiya. All right. Yes. Yeah, last week. Aye. Going crazy.
Right, you go now before it starts.
Yeah, come on then, let's get in and get the stuff.
Get something. Anyway, I am going to be filming a lot more footage now than I did last. Anyway, we're inside the cafe, as you can see. This is the cafe. And also, there's a lot of people around. Got people people above. Got people above my, got people below. Got many.
Whatever they've got, whatever they've got, darling. Or have. Right, do you want one of them, Jake? I like to have one of these. Cans, which one do you want?
Sorry, Ella.
Do you want Diet Coke? Fanta?
Please have Coke. I'll have a Coke.
You can have a Coke. Get a straw then. Coke. And then, Harry, what do you want?
I'm sorry, I can't be bothered with a straw. I can't be bothered with a straw.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm about to go around filming.
No, just the two.
Right,
then, thank you.
I'm gonna have a little walk around.
That was yours.
Have they paid? This is
Yes, I've paid for them. We're going to get food.
Come on, why not let me wander off?
Hot dog first, thank you.
After the hot
Come on
dog.
then, we'll go get hot dogs now.
I'll continue this after I have my hot